Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set a photo and avatar as your Instagram profile picture. So if you guys didn't know, now you can have both your photos, a photo of yourself and also the avatar that you create on Instagram as your profile picture. And here is how you can do it. You can go to your profile. So in here you can just click on this edit profile options, and now you can click on your avatar, and now you can see the option add to profile picture. You can just enable this, so every time someone open your profile, they will just have to swipe left, and they'll see your avatar. So you can have both your photo and also avatar as your profile picture. Now you can just go back, and here they'll be seeing this. You can just swipe and your photo will change into avatar. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.